Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some passion twist and I'm specifically going for the more crinkly passion twist look. The hair that I'm using is the Model pre-stretched water wave hair. It's 22 inches long. We're using the color 27. So to start out, I'm taking each section of the twist or the hair, and I'm just splitting it into 3 equal parts. So that section that you see me grab, splitting it into 3 equal parts because I'm just going to start this as a regular knotless braid. You can start it any way you know how. So I know some people may crochet it in or braid it a little bit and then crochet it in, but for me it's just easier just to do a regular knotless braid. And for every one twist that I do, I'm using only one section of the hair. So that one piece that you see me split up or divide into 3 parts, I'm using that to make one twist. I want these to be really small to really give that crinkly mini twist, mini passion twist look. So the product that I'm using at her root is Shine and Jam. I'm going to show you the jar in a second. So like I said, I'm just splitting it and I'm doing a regular knotless braid. So I split up her hair into 3 parts and I'm only adding 3 sections. That's it. Since we're going to turn these into twists, the 3 sections is really all that I need. So once I add in my 3 section, I braid it down just a little bit further. And then I'm going to turn the 3 sections into 2 sections, and then I'm going to begin doing the 2-strand twist. So I'm taking this middle section and I'm just splitting it into 2. And now I'm just going to do a regular 2-strand twist. While I'm twisting, I am using this Eco Style gel, and then like I said earlier, the Shine and Jam is what I'm using mainly for her root. I did use some of the Shine and Jam on her natural hair just to keep it nice and laid, but once I got pretty much past her natural hair, for the most part, I just used the gel. So I think the important part when you're wanting to get like this crinkly passion twist look is just pay attention to the direction that you're twisting your hair. For this hair specifically, my twists are going to the right. So whenever I do twist, I always twist in both directions. I always do 2 twists first. The first twist I'll twist going to the left, and then the second twist I will do to the right to see which look I like more depending on what I'm going for. So if the twist that I did going to the left is straight and uniform and that's the look that I'm going for, then all of my twists I'll do going to the left. If the twist that I did going to the right is more crinkly like this one is, and that's the look that I'm going for, then all of my twists will be going to the right. So depending on, again, the look that you're going for, try to just do 2 separate twists in 2 different directions and then see which one you like and make all of them go in that same direction. And I know I keep calling them crinkly, but I don't know how else to like explain or describe them. I know like when I see people do them in the other direction and the twists look more straight, more uniform, people still call them passion twists, and they call these passion twists too. So this is just the best way for me to be able to explain it to you guys. So yeah, like the crinkly, like, you know, yeah, the crinkly kind of like curly looking way. By the way, I think both look really cute. I wanted to specifically do these for this video. I've been doing a lot of like other twists, so I wanted to give you guys something different. As far as the parting, I do have a parting tutorial, so I'll link it up above for you guys to check out. I did do 7 rows total for this style. So as you can see from her ear down, I did 3 rows, and then that row that I'm working on right now, so from her ear up, I did 5 rows. So that's the start of the 5 rows, and then above where I'm at right now, I did an additional 4 rows. So again, 7 rows total. I hope I didn't confuse you guys with that explanation. And for these twists, I did twist them all the way to the ends. And I did not dip these in hot water. I did not even steam these. I just left them as is. Let me know down in the comments what you guys call these. Are these mini twists? Are these passion twists? And if they're twisted in the opposite direction and they're more straighter, more uniformed, or a little bit bigger, do you still call them passion twists, or what would you call them? I hope you guys like this video. These twists are definitely not for everyone. Some people do prefer the more straighter uniform look. So let me know which way you prefer. I think these look super cute. I like both ways. And I just wanted to show you guys just, something a little different. But yeah, I like these, and I hope you guys do too. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned until the end so you can see the final result. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace.